I've been asked here to comment on the withdrawal of Belantamab from the U.S. market recently. Belantamab is an antibody-drug conjugate targeting the B-cell maturation antigen, and it was approved as a single agent in very highly advanced relapsed refractory multiple myeloma patients. And recently, because of the negative outcome of a randomized trial against the pomalidomide-dexamethasone, Belantamab didn't show indeed superiority over pom-dex. Well, of course, this is really an unfortunate situation in my opinion, and however, I still believe that the other ongoing programs testing Belantamab in combinations with other drugs will allow to prove the efficacy and the utility of this agent, because we definitely still need agent in many myeloma patients who are not responding to other families. Of course, there are several reasons, and one may speculate, but at the end of the day, I think when we look to the results, actually, the drug as a single agent performed rather well in the trial. However, it could not beat a really good combination like pomalidomide-dexamethasone. So you're talking about a single agent. And so it's not about deciding based on this trial that you're going to use now pom-dex or Belantamab alone. So you can see it's more, in my opinion, a very good situation where we need to learn from the negative outcome of this trial. And this is about the dosing, which may have impacted the tolerance, but also I think we had in the past similar situations, but this didn't prevent, hopefully at the end of the day, drugs coming into the market and being extremely useful. I remember, for instance, with carfilzomib, the focus trial, which was negative, but still we managed, I think the community managed to develop carfilzomib in combination, and today it's widely used and being useful. So in summary, and going back to Belantamab, it's quite unfortunate to have this negative trial, but I'm quite optimistic for the future, especially that the drug has been and is being useful to many patients who failed other treatment options.